Let's draw a very simple dog to keep your animation more simple. Or animation process more simple. So what we gonna do now? I will import my dog audio sample. Right? Okay. So first let's add some bones, because I will use bones to make this dog animation. One here and another bone here. Now let's start to assign each object point to a bone, and I will select the entire head, this ear, the eyes and the nose, and I will select this bone joint because I want to tell Arttista that every point that we selected here will be assigned to this bone joint. Now let's do the same for the rest of the body, assign the points that we want to be assigned to each bone joint. Now that we have our skeleton and our dog, let's start to animate it. Let's create a keyframe here, pressing F2. Here is the moment that he barks. So when he started barks, you can see here on the audio, this keyframe must be on the highest barking moment. Let's rise a little bit. Let's bring a little bit to front, rise up a little bit here. Let's see. The body a little bit more to front. Rise the head a little bit. Let me see. Right, I'm here. I select everything with Ctrl A. I go from this frame here, holding Alt key on the keyboard, and drag everybody to here, right? At this moment, I will make this barking reduce a little bit, kind of copying the original position. Here I'll go back to the original position, that is this. I select everybody here, Ctrl A, hold the Alt key on the keyboard, click here on this keyframe and drag to here. Let's see if we have auto synchronization with our animation. Right. Let's do the second bark. In the second bark, we're gonna repeat what we did before. I select everybody here. There is a little difference here. I keep the Ctrl key down to select a keyframe range on timeline. So I select everybody here. I hold Alt and drag to here. F2 for interpolation, and let's see how is it now. Now let's do the same for the third bark. Select here a keyframe with Ctrl. With Ctrl down, I select all of this part here on the top. I select everybody because I must say to Arttista which objects this operation will include. I wanted to drag all these keyframes from these objects that I have selected on my screen to copy to here. Press F2 for interpolation, and let's see how is it now.